Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this video is an advanced video on middleware in Next.js. So on YouTube, whatever the video you will see, I'm sure that this video will be the best among these all videos. And here will be some advanced things which you are going to learn. So if I give an overview of YouTube videos, whatever you will watch other videos, what they told to you and what they says to you, and what logic they actually implement. So see what they will do. They will create a middleware in Next.js project, and they will store the cookies token inside cookies, and they will fetch that token from cookies, and they will, if token is present, then they will say user has logged in, now we can redirect him to the home page. If token is not present, then they are not redirecting us to the home page, they are redirecting us to the login page. Now here is one myth. So what if anyone has done inspect, like go to the network tab, and inside network tab and under applications, and under applications, if we went to the cookies and added the cookies, of course it's an hack anyone can do, and we can easily access the home page, correct? This is correct. Okay, now second thing, if they are doing this, so then of course we cannot go on the huge bigger projects. Everyone can hack this. So in today's video we will implement an advanced algorithms, advanced logics, how we can get rid of this. Okay, so in today's video we will learn, we will store the token in cookies, we will fetch the token from cookies. After fetching the token from cookies inside middleware, we will verify first that token. If on the basis of that verification we will redirect the user. If a token is verified, then we will say okay fine, user can move back to the home page. If user is not logged in, we will redirect him to the login page. So this is a basic logic what we are going to implement in today's video. Okay, so let's get started. If I show, so before starting I will show you a demo. See, this is a website on the home screen. If I refresh right now, of course I will get an home page, and if I go to the auth/login, then I am coming back to this page. Okay, now if I remove cookies and data from this site, I will say delete and done. Okay, if I reload, I am redirected to the login page. Okay, now means cookies had been removed. If I inspect here, and if I come back to my applications, and under applications we have this uh, cookies. Under cookies we have our website. Okay, anyone can hack this. So I will type my name, and I will type my username, sorry, password. So this is my password, and if I say login, okay, so currently if you can see we have got the token and we are redirected to the home page. Cool. Now what if again if I added this token? Okay, if I edit, like I remove something this from this token, and if I refresh the website, I am saying I am getting that login again, token not verified. So this logic we are going to implement. If I again type the capital O inside my token and again refresh, I will redirect it to the home page. So this is our logic. At the end of this video we are going to implement the same. Okay, so now we can stop this one server easily. I will say control C, and yes, control C. I will come here, and next I will come to my cursor, the code editor, and I will say this is my project that we will see a demo. So I will say npm run dev. I will hit enter, and this will start my server. I will go to the localhost 3000, and it will start loading my application. Cool. Now what I need, I will say basically let it get refreshed. Is it compiling still, or is it done? Is it done? So now I can come back here, and you can see this is our home page. And what I need, if user is not logged in, I want to redirect him to the login page. Okay, so this is just a demo page, just one input tag and password and one login button, no styling. Okay, cool. Now next what I need, see, we need to implement the middleware. Okay, so come to the next website and Next.js documentation, and search here middleware. Okay, go to the middleware, and here scroll little bit, and you will find like copy any of the middleware file. Okay, so if you can easily copy this one, even it is in JS. Okay, we will implement it in JS. I will copy it. So first of all, we will copy the name, and I will create a middleware file. So make sure that you are going to create your middleware file inside src. Okay, not inside app. So many of the users face issue because they create middleware file inside app. Okay, cool. Now copy this one code and paste it here. So now next I will say redirect to the login page. Cool. Now I want to use here slash, and I will make an array, means I need to map on multiple page routes. So I will say slash, I will say login even. So these are the two routes which our project has, slash login and home page. Cool. Now if I come here, if I am going to the home page, it will throw me to the login page. Let's see. Cool, it has thrown me to the login page. Perfect. Now I will remove, by the way, right now from here login, because whenever it is going to the login page, it is still looking how everything is going on. So if I again refresh, so I should redirect to the login page, but it is not. My server had stopped, I guess. Yeah, so I will restart my server, and we will start implementing. Cool. Now if I come back and refresh it, I will redirect to the login page instead of home page. Let's see, is it happening or not. So if I come back and let's see my terminal, what's going on. It has compiled, and if I see, I am redirected to the home page. And again if I show you, I'm not able to go to the home page. Cool. So now what logic we are going to implement, I will say basically here const data is equals to, I will make it await. Okay, and I will make it as an async function. So I will make here is auth. Okay, or let's create one function first. So see what you need to do right now. So inside your src folder, inside your app, anywhere create one js file, and inside this js file start coding. So I've created this is auth.js file here. Okay, here first we will create a function. So I will say export async func is authenticated a function. It will accept a parameter as a request. So whatever the request, like I will send from here. So you can see this will be the request. So I will send this here from here. I will say basically I will say const auth header. So I will get the token. See, I will, there can be two ways I can get here token. See, from if anyone is requesting from APIs, then he will send the token in as a barrier token. Okay, as an authorization. If he is using the web, means a website, then he will store the token inside a cookies. Correct. So these can be a two ways. So I will say control z, no sorry, I will say const cookies token is equals to request dot cookies dot get, and I will say user token. So see, whatever the token name we are storing, we will get that value. Okay, cool. Next I will create an if condition here. So I will say if is auth is true, sorry, auth header is false, then I will make it true. And it means whatever, if any of things I am not getting, if I am not getting any token or any cookies, like both cookies or token I didn't get, then I will return simply from here a false value, means token is not there and verification failed. If I got a token, I will proceed further. So I will say const token is equals to auth header, and I will make it as an optional. I will split it by space, and I will get the first value. Okay, and if this is not present, then I will say you can use cookie token. Cool. Now I will make a try catch, and inside try catch I will call one function. Okay, but before that let's create that function. I will say async function verify JWT, and this will accept two parameters. First is token comma secret key. So secret key is basically a key which help us to verify our token. So I will say basically here const header, and I will get three things from token. First is header, payload, and signature. So I will say token dot split by a dot, and I will get three things: header, uh, payload, and signature. Cool. Now next I will say data, and I will join header and payload with this help of dot. Cool. Now next I will say const signature buffer is equals to buffer 64 URL to buffer. Now I will create this function first. So I will say function buffer to buffer 64 URL to buffer, and it will accept parameter as base 64 URL. Okay. Now I will say const padding is equal to dot repeat, and I'm saying that 4 minus a base 64 URL dot length modulo 4, and I'm saying modulo 4. Cool. Modulus. Okay. Now I'm saying base is equals to base 64 is equals to base 64 URL plus padding dot replace slash minus slash g comma plus replace dot brackets slash underscore slash g comma uh, backtick, sorry, as in form of a string, and backtick, I think not backtick, slash. Okay. Now I will say const row data is equals to atob, and I will call this as a, and I will pass base 64. Now I will return whatever I will get. So I will say return new unit 8 array. Okay, and I will use an array. I will provide here raw data, and I will map, and I will choose the character. I will say char dot char code at 0. Now I will call this. So I will say inside my verify jwt, I will call this. I will say key buffer is equals to new text encoder and dot encode, and I will provide my secret key, whatever is my secret key. Okay, cool. Now I will say here crypto is equals to await crypto dot suitable dot import key, and I will say use raw. After that I will say key buffer. After that name hmac. Make sure the guys you are keeping this file same as it is. After that hash as sha minus 256. After that false. After that verify. After that our crypto key is done. Okay, now I will say const valid is equals to await crypto dot subtail dot verify. Okay, and inside this I will pass m sorry hmac. After that crypto key, signature buffer, and new text encoder encode data. Okay, now next I am checking if it's not valid, return null. Okay, if it's now next I will say decode payload json dot parse atob payload dot replace slash minus slash g comma uh, in form of a string plus and dot replace. I will say slash underscore slash g comma and the same. Now I will return my decoded payload. Cool. So now next I will call this function. Okay, but before that, if I got any error in my try catch, I will return it. Okay, cool. Now next I will say const payload is equals to await verify jwt token comma and my secret key. Okay, so what is my secret key here? Okay, we will refigure it out. So I will say return the payload, whatever the payload is there. Okay, so this thing I will return from here. So first let put our replace. Okay, so this is our key. Okay, this is a secret key while generating a token. Okay, I am using this secret key while generating the token. So while verifying also I will use the same key. Basically it is kept in env files, but for now for learning purpose I am keeping it like this. Cool. Now what I will do, I will come to my middleware.js, and I will say is auth. Okay, is authenticated, and I will pass my request here. Cool. Now see, I will basically log this first. I will say console.log data. Okay, whatever the data I am getting, I have logged it. If I format document, if I come right now here, and if I refresh, and if I go to the first login page, okay, if I come here and inside my terminal, I should get some console value. So it is saying false. Why false? Because we have not set inside a token any of the value. If I come right now inside my networks tab, and I will come basically to my one sec inside my applications and token. Here is a user token. Okay, so here is one issue guys. Right now the issue is we are storing this token on server side with the name token. Okay, but make sure this token value should be same inside our auth also. So currently we are getting here token as user token. We will replace it by token. If I again come back here and if I refresh right now, so currently I can see, one sec, I need to go to home page. If I refresh, so currently you can see I'm getting a false value. Why false value? Because in our uh, cookies no value is present. So I will type a random username and random password and I will say login. So this has saved the token here. And now next is what? If I refresh right now, token is still there. Now if I go to the home page and hit enter, so you can see I'm getting a true value. Means I have got it. The true value means the authentication part has been successfully done. Okay, now on the basis of this, okay, see, on the basis of this I can easily say if it's a true, okay, then forward us to the next step. So I will come back to my next documentation, and from here I will copy the little bit of code. If I show you the code, what that can be the, and I will say here basically return next response. Okay, I will return basically this, and let me verify once more, is it the fine? I think the fine, yeah, this is fine. So I will say if token is true na, then move forward, you can move forward. But else if token is not true, I will make a else condition, then you need to redirect this user to the login page. Okay, cool. Now if I come back here, see guys, here we have got our data. Now you can manipulate this according to your need. Okay, so now you see, let's see on demo. If I remove it and if I refresh it, of course we will get the data. Okay, and if I again come back here and if I hit enter, I should get the homepage data. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what if I clear my token? If I clear my token from here, delete it, done, and reload it, I am redirected to the login page. Again if I try to come here, I am not able to come. Now let's log in first. Okay, if I log in again and if I say login, it has said okay. And now if I again go back to my home page, I am able to view my home page. So this is what guys authentication actually works. And I know this video can be little bit long, but after this video, like now you don't need even a single video on YouTube to watch. Just take a look to the code how it is. See, we are using this function in a middleware. Okay, if you use any JWT library, of course you face a lot of errors in that, Node.js runtime error and kind of stuff. If you are using this one kind of data, then of course you will not face any issue. Okay, let me show you the whole code how exactly it will look like. So see, first is this one function we are calling. After that we are creating another function verify to JWT. So this is our verify JWT. Okay, next we are creating a base64 function. So this is what guys, this is how we can implement and achieve the advanced authentication in our Next.js. I know this cannot be hacked by anyone, I am damn sure. So that's all in this video guys. Hope you enjoy and hope you learn something new. And I know the video was long. Thank you guys. If you like this video and it was a little bit of helpful for you, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.